Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh Salvankar. So today's topic is MI Power Bank 2i unboxing. It is a 20,000 mAh power bank made in India. At the back of the box it is written it can charge MI1 4.3 full charge 4.3 times, iPhone 7 times and iPad mini 4 2.5 times. It has a two-way quick charge. It has Li polymer battery and anti-slip scratch resistant. So let's take it out of the box. First you get is the power bank. Let's keep it aside. In the box you get a quick start guide and a USB cable. Let's take it out. You get a USB cable. To charge the power bank, just take a normal adapter, plug it in. Just take a charger, plug it in, and your power bank will start charging. As you can see, the dots are LED lights are blinking. Now it's currently 75% charge. First dot is 0 to 25% charge. Second dot is 25 to 50. Third dot is 50 to 75 and fourth dot is 75 to 99% full charge. Let's keep it aside. At the right side you get a switch for checking the juice in the power bank. As you can see, it is showing 100%. You get two ports for charging. For charging, just take a USB cable, plug it in, and you can charge your any device such as my MI1. Just plug into it and it will start charging. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. By the way, if you want to buy this power bank, link is in description below. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.